Morning, Daddy.
Isa pa. Sabi mo lang, good morning, very good. Huwag niyo nalagyan ng mga. Sabi niyo lang, good morning, very good.
Kasi tayo bigla lang.
Ready, get set, go!
Good morning, Mom.
Kita yung panty mo.
Good morning, very good.
Okay lang yan. Isa pa.
Okay tayo, ba?
Yo, ikaw, yo. Hindi ka nakasabay, yo.
2, 3, go. Good morning, very good. Ganon, ha?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Good morning, very good.
Anong open natin? What's that?
The box. Empty box.
Oh, go. Wait for ate.
Wait lang. I can already open it.
Ate, baliktad ang hawak mo ng yan. Yan. Here.
Kaya sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Kaya hindi ka kita. Dun sa kabila. Diyan sa chair. Ate, isang linya lang yung anuhan mo. Hanggang dulo, hanggang baba. Para matanggal siya. Wait for ate.
Come on, let's open it. Wait.
Wait lang.
Ate. Nasabing wait, ate. Kaya, open na. Vacuum. It's a vacuum. Wow. Come on, let's pop. Wait, kaya open pa natin yung ano. Okay. Yo, i-open pa natin yung ano. Hey, toy. Hindi naman toy, box lang. Wow!
Wait. Wait. Ate, dahan-dahan na. Baka mabasag. What's that?
A vacuum. Vacuum.
What's that, yo?
Vacuum. Look.
Wow. It's like a big gun.
Para sa atin to, tatay.
What? Yes.
Look, what is this? What is this?
Hose.
What's this? Ano to? Daddy, can you turn on the hose?
Baka handle yan. Hindi. Yun dyan inilalagay yun. Dyan sinasabit.
What is this?
Yan yung dulo ng vacuum.
Kaya look, this is the vacuum. And you can use it by like this. Kaya no, hindi pa mama dun. What is this? What is this?
Ganon din. Yung dulo din. Nozzle.
Mongo.
Meron pang laman.
Lana.
Other side.
Lana.
Ayan. Assemble natin.
Yay! Ito.
Oo nga.